पितृदेवताभ्यो नमः, द्वादश पितृभ्यो नमः, सर्वे कारुण्यपितृभ्यो नमः. The Mahalaya Paksha or Pitrupaksha is a fortnight exclusively meant for showing reverence, gratitude and devotion to our ancestors and forefathers. Rituals like Shraddha, Tilatarpanam, Pindapradhanam and Annadanam are performed during Mahalaya Paksha. Krishna Paksha or Bhadrapada Masa is generally referred as Mahalaya Paksha or Pitrupaksha. During this fortnight, people perform holy rituals of Mahalaya Shraddhas to pay back for Pitrunas, convey their respect and devotion to their deceased ancestors. Avidhava Navami is an important and unique day of Mahalaya Pitrupaksha, observed in memory of those women ancestors who have attained Sumangali Maranam, that is, who have departed before their husband. Every woman born in Hindu Dharma, every Bharatanari, desires to attain Sumangali Maranam, as this is considered as to be very auspicious. It is also strongly believed that a Sumangali Stri or an auspicious woman, after attaining Pitradevata Sthanam, showers her immense blessings to children, grandchildren and great-grandchildren, blesses them with prosperity, abundance, growth and success as well. Performing Avidhava Navami Shraddha in memory and reverence of all the departed Sumangali Stri or pious women of our ancestral clan also helps an individual to get rid of Stri Shapa or Matra Shapa, that is, getting rid of curses and hexes from women and motherly persons as indicated in the horoscope. You can perform the Avidhava Navami Shraddha rituals at your own residence or at holy kshetras like Gaya, Gokarna, Kashi, Varanasi, Matragaya, Rameshwaram, Srirangapatana and Trambakeshwar with timely and able assistance and guidance from pure prayer. Inviting an elderly and pious woman, offering sari, bangles, flowers, haridra, that is the haldi and kumkum, gold and silver ornaments as per your affordability to the elderly woman is a compulsory part of Avidhava Navami Shraddha. When performed with proper devotion and dedication, all the departed pious women or Matra Devatas will be immensely pleased and shower highest of the blessings to the Kartru or the worshipper through the elderly lady, the pious lady who has been invited for the Avidhava Navami Shraddha. Avidhava Navami Shraddha can also be performed at any Shakti Pithas related to Mother Goddess, radiating divine motherly compassion and unconditional love for her children and devotees. Performing Avidhava Navami Shraddha on the banks of any holy river like Ganga, Kaveri, Krishna, Yamuna, Godavari and at Triveni Sangam, that is the conjoining place of three holy rivers, will also yield excellent results and swift fulfillment of desires.